The Battle of Salamanca, fought on July 22, 1812 during the Peninsular War, was a pivotal engagement between the British and Portuguese forces under the command of the Duke of Wellington and the French army led by Marshal Auguste Marmont. The battle took place near Salamanca, Spain. Wellington's army cleverly outmaneuvered Marmont's forces, exploiting weaknesses in the French deployment. A critical moment came when Marmont made the fateful decision to split his forces, leaving his left flank vulnerable. Wellington seized this opportunity, launching a coordinated attack that shattered the French lines. The British cavalry under General Stapleton Cotton played a decisive role in the victory, routing the French and capturing key positions. The Battle of Salamanca was a significant triumph for the Anglo-Portuguese army, demonstrating Wellington's tactical brilliance and strengthening Allied control over the Iberian Peninsula. The victory opened the door for further British advances into France-controlled Spain and Portugal, ultimately contributing to the downfall of Napoleon's empire. It marked a turning point in the Peninsular War, boosting Allied morale and undermining French dominance in the region.